Well, and today's virtual tour is going to be a project overview about this brand new project which is coming up in Hinjewadi by Lodha Developers. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about the complete project, the carpet areas, the amenities, the location, and much more. Stay tuned with me. First of all, this particular project is going to be one of the most exclusive and the most developed area in Hinjewadi Phase 1, and this is called as Lodha Magnus, and it is going to be in Hinjewadi Phase 1. As we all know that Hinjewadi is already the IT hub of Pune, and this is where most of the residential and commercial development is happening. Now, the total project is going to be located in a land parcel of 5.4 acres, and there are going to be a total of 4 towers, which will have ground plus 36 floors of premium apartments. Now, when I said exclusive, what did I mean? Well, this is going to be a low density project. Along with that, as I specified that there are going to be total 4 towers, इसी के साथ साथ every floor will have only 4 units and 4 lifts. So there are going to be 3 total passenger lifts and 1 service lift in every building. And along with that, not just the lobby area, but also the apartments are going to be fully air conditioned. So this is going to be a 5-star living in Hinjewadi by Lodha. Now, as I said that this is going to be a 5-star living, so the 3 BHK is going to be of 1388 square feet and the 4 BHK with study is going to be of approximately 1922 square feet. And now let's talk about the pricing. The 3 BHK is going to start from 2.2 crore onwards, and the 4 BHK with the study and the staff room is going to start from 3.2 crore onwards. Now, when I've already told you that it's going to be a 5-star project, let me also tell you a little about the amenities. The project will cover amazing amenities like swimming pool, gymnasium, clubhouse, jogging track, kids play area, and much more. Well, I've told you about the amenities, the carpet areas, the pricing, the land parcel, the number of towers, and I've already told you that the project is located in Hinjewadi Phase 1. So from here, the highway is just about 20 minutes, and also Hinjewadi Phase 2, the Infosys Circle, and the upcoming metro stations. Everything, the complete connectivity is going to be 5-star. But what about the booking process? Well, the booking process is also going to be 5-star only with Property Cloud right over here. Stay with me, I'm going to tell you how. Now that you know everything about this particular place, I'm sure you want to know कि booking कैसे करनी है, क्या करना है exactly. उससे पहले let me tell you a little about Property Cloud. Well, as I told you earlier that this is a PropTech service जहाँ पे हम करवाते हैं आपके लिए virtual site tours. उसी के साथ साथ Property Cloud connects you directly with the developer, thereby not only giving you the bottommost price but also a completely zero brokerage policy because there are no middlemen involved. Along with that, we also help you with doing physical site visits, and that too with an absolutely free pickup and drop service. So basically आपको करना ये है कि आप देखिए यहाँ पर आपके favorite projects, उसमें से आप कीजिए कुछ projects shortlist, जिसके basis पर हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे to go and see those projects in a cab, that too absolutely free pickup and drop service. After that, once you have finalized the property and you want to go ahead with the booking, all you need to do is just contact our salesperson once again, and then we will give you the best prices in the market, the best spot payment options, and the best discounts that you can ever get. Now, इस सब के लिए आपको क्या करना है exactly बता रही हूँ. नीचे captions में दिया हुआ है एक link जिस पे आपको करना है click, जिसके basis पे you will get in touch with us and we will guide you into buying your dream project with amazing ease and also hassle-free, brokerage-free. Well, it's not just that we are present only in Pune. Property Cloud is present across the globe and also in multiple cities in India also. तो पहले तो globe की बात कर ले. We are present in UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA and many other countries. And India में तो we are present in all top-notch cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Nagpur, Kolkata and so many more. तो अगर आपको खरीदना है आपका घर, आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ करना है नीचे कैप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक, और उसी के साथ साथ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, ताकि मेरे यानी एकता कपूर के साथ आप देख सकें आपके ड्रीम होम्स राइट एट द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर हाउस. थैंक यू.